Hello, I'm Wayne C. Robinson. For more than 26 years, I've worked inside the timeshare industry across the United States, Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean Islands. I'm widely recognized as a foremost expert in timeshare cancellation, known for taking the structured strategies used by cancellation attorneys and presenting them in a clear, transparent process that owners can actually understand. Over the years, I've met thousands of owners who felt overwhelmed by confusing paperwork, ongoing fees, and a lack of clear direction. That's why I created my Timeshare Cancellation document preparation service, a professional solution designed to simplify the process and place the document preparation in experienced hands. Whether you have completed one of my courses online or read any of my books on timeshare cancellation, I personally prepare your full cancellation document package. Every document is organized, clearly written, and structured for execution. Within 3 business days, you'll receive a complete document set prepared for all your required parties, including the 3 major credit reporting agencies. You will know exactly what is being sent, why it's being sent, and how the process moves forward with full transparency at every step. Your role is straightforward. Review the paperwork, sign it in front of a notary, and send it by certified mail using the detailed instructions provided. The complete service is $350, providing a direct and structured alternative to traditional cancellation services that can cost up to $10,000 and take years. The service is available for those whose timeshares are located in the United States, Mexico, or the Caribbean Islands, who wanted an organized path towards ending their timeshare obligation. So for US-based timeshares, ownership must be fully paid to qualify, no fees owed, and it's easy. For Mexico and Caribbean timeshares or vacation clubs, ownership does not need to be paid in full. Even if outstanding balances or fees exist, you may still proceed with the legal cancellation process when the instructions are followed properly. These guidelines ensure each cancellation is prepared accurately and aligned with the appropriate strategy for the region and ownership type. So, if you're ready to move forward with clarity, structure, and professionally prepared documentation, you can begin today and take the next step towards closing this chapter with confidence. Thank you.